I think I can help with that.
Wow!
Whoa!
OMG!
Are you a good witch?
No, dear, I'm not a witch at all. I'm a fairy.
Wow! Please tell Miss Fairy, our friend's been cursed by the Tritone Witch and now he can't remember how to play piano at all. And his performance seminar is tomorrow.
You know, I was once a piano teacher in the Enchanted Realm, and I've seen this curse before. I know what you need to...
Tell us! What do we need to do?
Calm down, my little ones.
Who's she calling little?
There are 5 essential elements of piano playing. You need to unlock them all from your memory.
This sounds like it's gonna take a long time. I've got a lot of schoolwork, you know.
Don't worry, dear. I'll send some help. I'll even start you off with the first element. Have you any guesses as to what it is?
My mind is an empty slate.
I don't know, I never taken piano lessons before.
I know. Is it how to dance like a rock star and play at the same time?
No, dears. It's much simpler than that. We must first learn our ABCs.
Do you know all of your notes on the keys? First we'll start with middle C, then there's more. D comes next in the alphabet, then there's E, F and G and A, then B, then come back to C.
Oh, I get it. A, B, C, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. It's as easy as can be. A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
She remembered!
Congratulations, my dear. You've unlocked the first essential element. I'll be on my way.
But wait, there are 4 more to go. How will I...
Don't worry, my dear. Help is on the way.